Hello everybody, it's me, Sassy Pants, and today this is the video. Well, we recorded it in the same day, so it's not that big of a deal. It was the same day as Mass Monday. I know I'm not supposed to tell them the day we record, but it's okay. Today is the Boxycharm versus Boxycharm with me and the lady. This is my base box, Boxycharm, for February. Now, me and the lady are going to open both of our boxes, and we're not going to do it based on the price because we already know who won. I don't know who won, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. You're going to see how much the box is worth right up there at the end of the video. You see, I have seen her do this once or twice before. Okay, so she got me a little spruced, but she wouldn't put me any makeup. No, she would not. She just did my complexion a little bit after I did my skincare. Okay, for those of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, this is it. It's a box, it's red inside, and that's about all I know. I do know that it comes month to month because it shows up every month at our doors, several of them. And this is the base box. This is the number one. There's 3 tiers. This is the first one. So see, I do know some of the information. Okay, inside the box, you do get one of these cards. It says, "Be my Glamantine." But it's, you know, I like the Galentine one, but this one will do. Remember, she's going to be opening up her box as well. On the other side of the card, you have a list of all of your products, like we give a shit. Oh, I'm sorry. My apologies. Okay, so my variation 025. Remember that number. Oh, damn it. I know she's going to put it up right there. Okay, 025. That's okay. It's no big deal. Just vote for 025. Just vote for 025. Vote 025. Okay, so anyway, let's get on with the show. I got to start showing you the stuff that's inside my box. Can I start with the big one? No, I can't. All right. The first item we have here is from Saturday Skin. Okay, this one is Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. It's okay. I like the name. It's kind of fun. Comes in this really pretty little yellow container. Look at it. It's very pretty. It's almost like a grapefruit or something, but I think it's a lemon. It says a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus. It's combined with targeted ingredients such as the active vital complex and niacinamide. We love niacinamide. Oh, we do. We love niacinamide. I am the queen of skincare. And I can tell you right now that niacinamide is very good for your skin. Okay, it says it will improve moisture retention because that's... Okay, we'll just keep going. Hydrates and blur the appearance of fine lines. Now, this is not too bad, coming in at $32 for this little guy right here. You know, that's not too bad. It really isn't. You know, it's not that big of a deal. It says to dot in a C formation to the under eyes. So you're going to go like this. Okay, well, we know how to do that. I teach skincare because I'm the queen of skincare. I'm a skindecologist. Listen. William, you can tell Wendy over there she needs to be quiet too, because I am a skindecologist. I have my certificate. I Googled what it's to learn all about skin, and they make you a skindecologist. So it's just, let's move on. We're taking away from this program. Okay, next one we have from OPV Beauty. It's a loose setting powder. It's not like the lady has plenty of these. Like she has a buttload. Can you see it? Oh, I was hoping you could see it. I'm not used to putting products in front of my face. You know, when the king of skincare, you need to see this face. We're not going to open it up because I don't know if we're going to keep this one. Hope you're paying attention. Loose setting powder. It's translucent, okay? So it's not bad with a price tag of $22. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. But... you know, she's probably going to tell me, you know, just Open the damn thing. After all, it is my box. I know you can see the big light now that she has, the box lights. But it's got a gorgeous top, very beautiful rose gold. It's got the shaker. I've seen her do this. It's translucent. I'm not tinkering, I'm just keeping things organized. Okay, next one. Oh, this is the most exciting one, but we're going to save it for last. Let's move on to the next one. This one is by LUME. It is a multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. Do you remember that one that was like the pen, the clicker, had like 4 or 5, and it was like to conceal, correct? That one, bronzer. It didn't go over very well. No, it did not. People did not like that one. I mean, some of them were broken. Some of them just didn't work for shed. Like all of my boxes, you can't get into them. Oh, $10 on us. Look at $10 on us. You know, Miss Lady, I just... Where is the lady? Where did she... Yo, lazy ass. Where'd she go? Because I'm having a hard time with my box. It's not participating in my unboxing. And I'm trying to be very fair. Anyway, this is it. And it... Oh, my goodness. Dear Lord, jeez. Oh, my God. I need some help over here. This is it. It's dual-headed, but it's got 4. Do you hear me? 4. That's... Oh, you're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. It's going to have 4, and it's... You pop it off, or I think you twist it. You twist it. There's the little brush. It's like your detail brush, you know, for under your brows. Maybe under your lower lash line. This is the sponge. It's very, very hard. Very hard. Twist it off. And you have a makeup brush. So it's a 4-in-1. Is this something that's practical? I think so. Does it work? I have no idea. She did my face today after I got done doing her skincare, so it's nice. I mean, it's nice and angled. You could do contouring, your blush. You could do all kinds of things. Foundation, I don't think so. Unless you know, maybe, I don't know. I'm not the makeup person. I'm the queen of skincare. Again, the dang boxes, they're not going together. It is vegan, latex-free, and cruelty-free. Meet the secret weapon that lightens your toolbox. Toolkit, okay, whatever. 1 tool, 4 essential face brushes. The powder and contour brush, like I said, I wasn't sure, but yes, you could do it. Sweep along the face, it contours for soft blended definition. The blending sponge, nope, that thing's just a little too hard for me. But you can use liquid or cream products. The medium shadow brush, you sweep on your favorite shadows and you blend to create any look. Okay, that's nice. And the angled brow liner brush. Okay, well, see, like I told you, I was right. I'm starting to learn what brushes to use on which stuff and parts of your face. I don't know with the price tag of $28, you guys, though. Let me know in the comment sections down below. Then from Belly Balm, this is cuter than heck, and I love this. This is a pineapple lip scrub. Again, you can't get into these boxes. It's like we should have gotten into these boxes way before. Has very pretty packaging. It's very pretty packaging. I think this is like the Amazon forest that she goes to when she buys her undies. Kind of looks like it. It's like a Belly Balm. And it says it's pineapple. Let's see. It smells like fruit. It does. Now later, 2 seconds later, it's pineapple. And it's a wax. So it's nice. It's a Belly Balm. It's a pineapple lip scrub. We should have used it to scrub our lips today. Maybe I'll do it when I take her makeup off later on. This will be nice. And you know, it's not very what do they call it? Ridiculously priced, $23. It's and by the way, she told me to mention when it's a new launch. This is a new launch for Boxycharm. So I'm just letting you know. Now for the big one. Let's go with the big ticket item. This one I think I won. It's the C Note by HipDot. And guess what? What? No, we don't. How do you know? Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. Oh, poop. Apparently, we have this. I was gonna get excited because it's absolutely beautiful. It's by HipDot. I mean, it's HipDot, you guys. And they're very reasonably priced. This is the green, you know, from the ocean. This is only $20. Check it out. Now I'm sad, although maybe the lady can keep one and I can have one. And I know what she's going to say. She's going to say, let's give it away. Always giving my shit away. Okay, so listen. This one is the C Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess. Oh, of course. They knew it was me. They knew this talking about me already. It's a goddess. Okay, it says, an alluring blues and gleaming golds of C Note. A homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. We've been there. You know, hey, you, lazy ass. We've been there to Mexico. We've been to the C Notes. They're underground pools. In this hyperpigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. Of course. It's stunning, gorgeous. It's just a beautiful palette. Anyway, I'm very nervous when it comes to doing the unboxings. I just need a little more practice, and then I'll do it without making so many mistakes. So that was my box, you guys. Now listen. You're going to vote for variation 025. That's what you're going to do, because that's my box. It has the HipDot, the C Note. Now, lazy ass says that we have this, but until she shows me that we have this, I'm not going to believe you. You can say whatever you want, okay? And then there's by OPV Beauty. There's the translucent powder. We have a Saturday Skin. This is the Yuzu. I guess that's how you say it. That's the eye cream with the vitamin C or D or E or F, G, and H, I, J. It's a vitamin C eye bright cream. Let's not forget this multitasking contraption tool. Yes, this is the one by Meet Alley Oop. Oh, Meet, well, whatever. Yeah, Alley Oop. And then by Bali Balm. Yes, that's right. This is the pineapple lip scrub. That's my box. My box comes out to $125. And damn it, I knew I wasn't going to win. Why didn't you tell me before we started that I had the cheaper box? You know what? Sometimes the cheaper box has the nicer products, because my products are really nice and they don't come at an inflated price. That's how you have to look at it sometimes. So again, you're going to vote for 025 in the battle of the Boxycharm base boxes. And now I'm going to hand it over to guess who? And she's going to show you hers. Well, I mean, she's going to do it in a different video. My deepest apologies. You got to go watch her video now, because she's going to do her own video. She can't be part of mine. You guys take care. Don't forget to vote for 025. Just because that's my variation number. And this is how much my box cost. I already told you. It's $125. Take care. See you in the next video. I can't wait till you guys prove for a loser. Bye. Peace.